You think your stomach growls only when you are hungry? That is not the full story, and it might surprise you. The growling sound, called Borborygmi, happens when your intestines move food, gas and fluids through the digestive tract using muscle contractions. When your stomach is empty, those contractions are louder because there is nothing to muffle the noise. But here is the twist. It happens even when you are not hungry. It is your gut's way of staying active and ready. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, know this. It is not just hunger, it is science. Subscribe for more body mysteries you never knew you needed.